A lot of emotion, I think, in this match. A lot of pressure on the players, but I think it's going to be a good one.
So that's one big advantage we got, is when the crowd gets behind them, it really pushes them on to get over the finishing line,
Got a lucky charm on, got it on there.
If we play up to what we have done in the past and the standards we set last year, we'll win it.
Gorau chwarae, cyd chwarae, try your best, don't give up. Good luck.
Hopefully we can get some of that momentum we had for the Euros and kick on.
We've been to every game so far and we travelled to Dublin as well. And it's her birthday today as well.
Get the Red Bull bouncing as well. 3 points, good atmosphere.
Come on, Wales! Together stronger! Mae hi'n wlad fi'n hadain, a nwyli mi. 1-0 to Wales.
We actually got the 3 points! Yes!
Come on, Wales! Ben Woodburn, I just can't believe he scored that right when he came on. It's amazing how he just done that straight away.
The stadium, everything, everybody stood up and I was like, in Austria we say Ganselhaut. Huh? Do you know what a Ganselhaut is? No? If you are cold, the hair stand up. That's a Ganselhaut. The atmosphere is fantastic.
Oh, that goal, for me, seeing that boy come on, right, and I knew it from the start. I knew it. As soon as I seen him coming on, you wouldn't believe. I had a feeling inside my bones. This guy was going to score. He was going to score. I knew it. Chris Coleman made the right decision. We're going to Russia. We are going! Come on!
We're going to Russia. We are.